to just let any parent out there know that children are dynamic, children are different. So even though, of course, the firstborn assumes the place of responsibility for the other children, also that means there are some things the firstborn will have to do, even whether they like it or not, because the parents are expecting the younger ones to follow in the same direction. So the parents will insist that the firstborn go in that direction because the parent wants the other children, as this firstborn being the first, going in that direction will aid these other children to go in the same direction easily. So the parents won't have to do so much work to get them to go in that direction. You get? Another thing is, this in turn puts a kind of pressure on the firstborns. I'm beginning to point out some of the challenges now. Now it puts some kind of pressure in the firstborn, in that the firstborns now they will be under pressure to conform to a certain image, a certain kind of personality that the parents may have insisted that they take on, which may not be who they really are or how they really want to be. Now, most cases, the younger ones don't even end up going the same road. They still find their road and go their way. Do you understand? Now, but sometimes you see that it happens that after a long while, these firstborns now get stuck in that image of trying to be the perfect child to their parents, and then in the midst of it, they now lose their own identity. That means they can't even find themselves, because they most likely train them to obey their parents, do exactly what their parents ask them to do. That means they are built, or they were given birth to serve their parents. That's what it looks like. Do you get? So now this becomes a challenge because every child has his own life. Every child, first to last to middle, third, fourth, whatever number you come under, every child has their own life. They are programmed differently. They are designed differently. Their purposes are differently. Yes, their purposes are different. Why God brought them to earth, the things that God wants to do with their life is all different.